Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. Greatly appreciate it. I don't have any boxes to unbox or any products to share with you for today's video. From the title, it is basically Ask Me Anything. If you have any questions, you want to know anything. I mean, there are certain personal aspects of my life that stay personal. I don't share them on social media, but I'll do my best to answer, even if I have to like side skirt a little bit. But, you know, for the most part, I do answer all the questions that are given to me. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I greatly appreciate you coming to watch the videos and leave comments. And if I see a comment and I see that you're new, you know, I'll give you a little welcome to the channel. Sometimes I do miss it if I don't like hover over. We have a little icon when you're subscribed. It tells me like 1 day, 2 days. And I know you're relatively new if I haven't already welcomed you. I might do it twice if I don't remember I did it from the video prior. But so welcome to everybody new. If you have any questions, and you can leave more than one question if there's things you want to know. And I'll be more than happy to answer them. I mean, the place to leave your questions is in this video's comments. Anything that you would like me to answer, leave in the comments down below. You don't have to be a subscriber to leave a comment for me to answer a question. And then one day, you know, during the week or next week, I'll come back to all the questions. I'll pull them up on my phone and I'll sit down and film, you know, basically a little Q&A and give you the A part of your Q. And, you know, like I said, almost everything is up for grabs. You know, like there's a few things that are not, that I just won't answer, period. So leave me all your questions. I would love to see what they are. If you can't think of one, that's okay. You know, some people have been here for years and years and have been through a few of these and they don't have any questions. That's fine. But you know, ask me how the weather is. I'll be more than glad to tell you. Today, I was out and we got a snowstorm again. And I didn't even know we were supposed to get snow. So I'm driving in whiteout conditions. I'm like, oh, thank you. Appreciate it. And as I'm coming home, the same thing. It's still coming down, still coming down. And people just do not, you know, they just continue to drive like it's nothing. I'm like, you can't. I'm watching cars take off from stops super fast. And I'm like, yeah, your tires are spinning. I'm like, you can't do that when there's snow on the ground and you're not getting the traction. You're not on dry ground. People were sliding. I'm like, you know, I slid once, but it was more on a turn. You know, you just take your time. I'm never in a rush to get home or to get where I need to go. If I'm a few minutes late, I mean, I left super early for my appointment today. I was there with 10 minutes to spare. I was like, no, I'd rather be there and sit and wait than be late. And coming home, I just took my time. When I get home, but I'll be home safe. So, you know, I'm just over the snow. Speaking of snow, I'm over it. I can't wait for the spring. I have been cold all winter long. I mean, my hands are still ice cold. My nose is cold. My feet are cold. I'm like, this is ridiculous. So let's go warm weather. I can't wait. But, you know, when you're driving in whiteout conditions, it's scary. One, you can't see the lines on the road. You can see brake lights and headlights, but, you know, you better be a decent driver and you can judge the distance, because I was watching people, you know, driving up and I'm like, oh, are you even going to brake? You know, I'm like, there are brake lights ahead of you. But home safe now. So leave me all your questions. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you, everyone. And I'll catch you in my next unboxing video. Bye for now.